sleep tonight. Whispers of the past calling out in fright. Memories like shadows cast upon the wall. Faces of the lost in the empty hall. Lonely is the road where the silence screams. Desperate is the mind haunted by its dreams. Pictures in the drawers where the pain resides. Echoes of the love that the heart denies. Ghosts of yesterday won't let me be. Chains of memory, they're holding me. Every tear a story left untold. In this silent house my soul grows cold. Walking through the rooms, eyes on vacant chairs. Feel the touch of hands that were never there. Songs of long ago play in minor key. Death is just a word when you're close to me. Breath of icy wine making lights go dim. Clicking off the floor as you move within. Even in the day, shadows never leave. In the grip of the night, even hearts deceive. Ghosts of yesterday won't let me be. Chains of memory, they're holding me. Every tear a story left untold. In this silent house my soul grows cold. Ghosts of yesterday won't let me be. Chains of memory, they're holding me. Every tear a story left untold. In this silent house my soul grows cold. Breath of icy wind making lights go dim. Creaking of the floor as you move within. Even in the day, shadows never leave. In the grip of night, even hearts